Here are some tips and tricks for the upcoming ACT.
Getting a good score on your ACT will get you good scholarships.
Even though the writing portion isn't mandatory, it's very important that you do it because colleges like UAB and Alabama look for them.
Colleges are looking at ACT scores again, so it's important that you do well.
It's important to do well on the ACT because colleges can give you full ride scholarships. For example, Auburn can give you a full ride for a 33 or higher.
A helpful trick is to use the process of elimination to get the best possible answer.
Even if you do a bad job on the first time, it's always retakeable.
Memorizing math formulas will help you get a better score in the math portion.
If you don't know the answer right away, skip it and come back.
Pick a guest letter and don't change it.
There are many efficient ways to study for the ACT. For example, Mastery Prep is a good one. I hope these tips are helpful and good luck on the ACT.